Instagram's tags or mention can be annoying at times, or because of some personal issues, you may want to hide it. Today, I'll teach you how to do it. Welcome back to How To Tutorials. In today's video, we will be learning how to hide Instagram tag or mention. For this, open up the app. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now tap on this profile icon on the top left corner. Select one of the picture from your gallery that you want to post as a story. So to hide the tag or mention, we have got two of the options. The very first one is to tap on this smiley icon on the top, tap on mention, and then mention one of the person that you want to hide the tag of, just like this. The very first thing that you can do is you can tap on it and make it transparent. And then the another way is to drag it until it goes down, just like this. So you can see that even if you drag the picture up and down or make it increase or decrease the size of it, you wouldn't see any of the mention. And then when you're going to tap on your story, it will be posted without any tag or mention. So this is how you do it. And the very next option is to tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner, and then tap on this addition icon inside a circle on the top right corner. Tap on this story option. Select one of the picture from the gallery, just like this, and then tap on your story on the bottom left corner. You can see that your story is being uploaded. After your story is uploaded, to hide the tag or mention, by tapping on this profile icon on the top left corner, and then tap on this more option on the bottom right corner. Tap on add mentions, and then select one of the person that you want to mention, just like this, and then tap on add. So you can see that there is an option added mention. This is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.